Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. To all my channel members and all my supporters, a big thank you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Feel at home, enjoy your stay. While you're here, hit that red subscription button, put the post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Today, I am making Escovitch fish, my way, my version, and my style. Come along with me, let I show you.
Man, for you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop.
Here I have the fish already clean and I cut the fin off. And I'm just gonna cut these into my desired size. But first I'm gonna take the head off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it with vinegar and lime and season the fish with some fish seasoning, black pepper, and some garlic powder. Yes. So that's the head, and I'm just gonna toss that away. So here my fish is already seasoned, and it's time to go ahead and fry the fish. I have the oil on the fire, and I'm adding garlic, hot pepper, and thyme. After a few minutes, I'm going to remove the pepper, the thyme, and the garlic because it's already infused in the oil. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and do the do. Here I'm putting in the fish in the pot, and I'm just going to fry these nicely and turn them, and then we're going to have some Escovitch fish later on. So yes, guys, this is a big fish, so I have to cut it up. And this fish is called striped bass, otherwise rockfish. And it tastes so good. Okay guys, so as you can see, the fish look nice and brown, crispy. It's frying both sides, so it's time to remove them from the pot. I'm adding a small portion of oil to this skillet over here so I can go ahead and make the sauce. Here's a rundown of some of the ingredients for the sauce: vinegar, brown sugar, hot pepper, assorted bell pepper, pimento, onion, garlic, and carrots. I'm adding the carrots followed by the garlic. I'm just gonna saute this down just a little. Now I'm coming in with my onion, pimento, and pepper. So now I'm just gonna stir and combine and have this sauteed down for a few minutes. Now I'm adding the vinegar, followed by the brown sugar. And this sugar is optional for some people, but I use the sugar to cut the strong taste out the vinegar, and that's why I use the sugar. But that's optional for some people. So here's the fish, and I'm just gonna add my sauce to it. And guys, this sauce smells so good. So this is a quick and easy recipe, guys. You can use any fish of your choice. And this fish I'm using is the striped bass, otherwise known as rockfish. And guys, this fish tastes real good, I'm telling you. So thank you all so much for the love and support. To my channel members, a big thank you. And all my supporters, thank you so much. Silent viewers, big up yourself, but stop peeping the window. Just come in the kitchen and do the thing. All right? Subscribe, man. You've been there, you're watching, and all that. Me see you. Let's get connected to the channel. All right? Thank you all so much. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, where I talk about food, I cook food, and of course, I eat food. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like.